In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color lookup in Photopea. We'll create a polished, color-graded look using a gradient map adjustment so you can give your images a cinematic style right in your browser. Start by heading to photopea.com. Once the interface loads, bring in the image you want to edit by choosing Open from Computer and selecting your file. Photopea opens it on a new canvas, and you'll see your layer appear in the Layers panel on the right. Next, we'll apply the grading in a non-destructive way. Go to the top menu and choose Layer, then New Adjustment Layer and select Gradient Map. This adds a new adjustment layer above your image so you can tweak the look at any time without altering the original. You'll see the gradient map take effect immediately, but the magic happens when you customize it. In the Properties area, click the gradient bar to open the gradient editor. Think of this gradient as a map. The left side controls your shadows, the right side controls your highlights, and the middle influences midtones. Pick a color for the darks and a color for the lights to define the overall mood. A popular approach is cool shadows and warm highlights, for example, a subtle teal on the left and a soft orange on the right, for that contemporary cinematic feel. You can add additional color stops if you want finer control, and you can move the midpoint sliders to decide how much of the image falls into each color. If the image looks inverted, like highlights are getting the dark color, simply swap the left and right colors to correct it. With the colors dialed in, let's blend the effect more naturally. In the Layers panel, locate the Blend Mode dropdown that currently says Normal and open it. Choose Overlay. This instantly mixes the gradient with your photo in a way that preserves texture and contrast, giving you a bold, film-like grade that feels intentional rather than painted on. It's a great way to mimic a color lookup style result while staying fully editable. If the effect feels strong, remember that adjustment layers are flexible. You can always come back and soften the colors in the gradient editor, or fine-tune the overall impact later without starting over. That's it. You opened your image, added a gradient map adjustment, customized your color mapping, and blended it with overlay for a clean, cinematic color grade. Try different color pairs to match your subject and mood, and you'll quickly build a library of looks you can reuse. Thanks for watching, and enjoy grading in Photopea.